This week's problem of the week is about 5 friends standing in a line, so we'll start it with a line. Well, actually, it's a line segment. And then we'll get 5 volunteers and ask them to come out in the order that they're mentioned in the problem. And it looks like we have a set of twins and another set of 3 twins. The first person mentioned in the problem is Laura, so we'll ask her to go stand by the line. And the first clue says she's the 20th person behind Ray, so we'll put Ray up there. And the next clue says that Ray is the 50th person ahead of Dina. So with some simple math, we know that we can place Dina behind Ray and also behind Laura. And then, because I think it'll help us later in the problem, we're going to make a mark of the interval between Ray and Dina, which is 50. And then we're going to read the next clue, which says that Dina is the 10th person behind Charlie. So we're going to ask Charlie to go step up right in front of Dina, and clearly he has to be behind Laura and Ray, bringing us to the final clue for the first part of the problem, that Shelley is the 30th person ahead of Laura. So Shelley goes here, and we know she's ahead of Ray because of the original clue that Laura was the 20th person behind Ray. So we can mark this interval as 10, which is the difference between 30 and 20. And the answer to the first part of the question then is that Shelley is the first of the 5 friends in line. And for the second part, if there are 50 people in front of Shelley, Shelley is the 51st person in line. And because we kept good records, we can see that Ray is the 61st person in line, and Dina is the 111th person in line. And if there's 50 people behind Dina, whoever's in the back is the 161st person. And that, in fact, is the answer to the second part, that there are 161 people in the line.